Hey guys, welcome back to Delve Stack, and today I will be showing you how to turn off a Discord overlay. So to do this process, first thing is you can just simply go ahead and open up the Discord application into your Windows. Now, once you are here on the Discord, you can just simply go ahead and go to the user settings right over here. Now, here on the user settings, you can just simply go ahead and scroll down to the bottom until you see over here game overlay under the activity settings category. So go ahead and select game overlay over here. And as you can see, when we go over here, we will have a bunch of options where we have multiple filters that we could do. First one, we have enable overlay. Of course, if you want to turn this off, select this one. And from here, they will ask you a survey. So you could simply skip this if you want to, or provide a valuable lesson why you are turning it off to help Discord. Now, from here, you can enable the legacy overlay as well. So pretty much you could categorize the toggle overlay lock over here. And we have multiple ways to edit it out. And you will have the preview over here. And pretty much you will have the notifications down below as well. So pretty much everything over here will be your own personal preferences. So pretty much you just have to turn this off to do this process. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below. And we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.